Lately, I've been getting a lot of comments saying that my designs are AI generated, and honestly, I get why people think that. But the reality is very different, so let me show you exactly what's going on here. So these designs I create, people are convinced that they're AI, from what the comments are telling me, but what you're actually looking at are hours upon hours of manual work inside Photoshop or Procreate, compositing, lighting, blending, color grading, illustration, anatomy is all done from scratch. But the interesting part here is that it's actually happening more and more right now. The reason people think this is AI isn't because that it is, it's because the standard for digital art has changed. AI has trained people to expect perfect lighting, unreal detail, hyper clean compositions, so when they see something polished, they assume it must be AI, which is crazy. But this is what exactly the process looks like. Cutting out multiple different assets that you're given to by the client, blending them together manually, matching lighting across everything, illustration work, anatomy, like I've said, painting in shadows and highlights, adjusting the color and depth, composition. It all adds up. This isn't just one click. This is layering, iteration, and problem solving. And this is where it kind of gets interesting, because this isn't just about me. This is happening to a lot of artists out there right now. And I think we've reached a point where if your work isn't polished, it gets ignored. If your work is polished, people think that it's AI. That's a weird place to be in as an artist. And honestly, the reality is, if you want to work professionally, you have to reach this level of polish. Clients don't care how it's made, they care if it works, if it clicks, if it gets results, and that's what I focus on, creating visuals that actually perform. So I'm curious, what do you think? Does this look like AI to you, or can you see the difference? Let me know in the comments, as I'd genuinely be interested to hear. And if you're an artist trying to actually make money from your work, I've put together a 300+ page guide breaking all of this down, and the link is in the description. Thank you and take care.